Hi, would you like to know how to turn off autocorrection and also predictive text on your iPhone with iOS 18? Then don't forget to watch this video until the end. So, mostly as we know, when we are trying to type something, you can see that in mostly cases, all of your text will be autocorrected by the Apple. And this is not really great for everyone. So let me show you how to fix it. To disable autocorrection and predictive text, as a first step, we would need to open Settings. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named General. It's right under the Battery tab, and open it. Here, we would need to also scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Keyboard, and open it. Here, you can see really a lot of settings for your keyboard, but here we are looking for these exact two, which is autocorrection and predictive text. And if you would like to get rid of them, simply click on these two green sliders to disable them. Now, when your settings looks like this, that means that you won't get annoyed anymore about the autocorrection and predictive text. And now let's also make your keyboard more multifunctional. For example, here in the same tab, we can find this feature which is named Text Replacement. So if I'll open it, here you can see a really great example what is a text replacement. So we got this shortcut for the words on my way, which are just ONW. Now let me show you how it works. If I'll open the messenger and here enter OMW. Here I'll click on the space and it will be automatically autocorrected on the full phrase version, which is on my way. So like this, we can really add a lot of interesting phrases that can be typed fastly and then corrected to the full version. For example, I'll click on this plus at the right upper corner to add new one, and the phrase will be I don't know. And the shortcut for this phrase will be IDK. So after you have entered the phrase and the shortcut, here we need to click Save at the right upper corner. And we have successfully created a new text replacement. Let's test it. So I'll open the messenger and enter IDK. Now if I'll click on the space, it will be automatically corrected on the I don't know. So this is a really great feature, and if you are a fast typer, will be useful for you 100%. And also I'll show you how to add new languages to your keyboard. Stay on this tab in Settings, which you can see currently on the screen, and now find this button which is named Keyboard. It's right at the top of this tab. So by clicking on it here, you'll see a full list of languages that are already added to your keyboard. And if you would like to add a new one, we would need to click on this button, Add New Keyboard. Here you'd be able to find a really huge list with all of the available keyboard languages on your iPhone. And if you don't want to swipe it down like this, looking for the languages that you need to add, you can simply click on this search button. For example, I'll add the Japanese keyword, and here is it. So we would need to simply click on it. Here, choose which style of the keyboard you would like to add. So I'll choose the first one, and then click Done at the right upper corner. Now we can see that the Japanese has been successfully added. And let me show you how to switch between languages on your keyboard. So I'll open the messenger, and here on your keyboard you can notice this globe button at the left bottom corner. By clicking on this globe button, you'd be able to switch between languages. For example, here is Hindi, here is English, Czech, and once more Hindi. And this is how it works. Here we got the Japanese that I was adding before. That's all. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.